Hey guys, I'm back. So today we're gonna talk about what should we talk about? I don't know really what we're doing. Otherwise system.io. I'm pretty sure that's something. Okay, so I forgot it. Guess what? I forgot it. Yay! But seriously though, we are gonna talk about something. It's called if statements. Yes, now I know what you're saying. Marvin, it's so easy. You just type an if and then whatever your con condition is, and then whether it's true or false, and then you're done, right? Well, no, that's not really how it goes. Well, it works like that, right? No, it doesn't, dude. Yeah, well, my name is New 76, and I'll come to your house and destroy you because of you. Dude, stop. Stop, just don't. Oh, yeah, but. Okay. Anyways, so, yeah. We're gonna talk about if statements. Now I give a pause. So if statements, while statements. I'm pretty sure you already learned this, but okay. And then if, wait, if, wait. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna talk about that. I'm gonna talk about nested if statement, which is basically an if statement inside if statement. So yeah, let's talk about it. So an if statement is normally just saying like, if a condition is true or false, based on that we will do this action. Or in other words, if this thing equals whatever you want, then yes. Another one example could be a boolean. So we could make string bool equals true, and then we could say wait. You can't either. Oh wait. So yeah, we could make some simple statement like this. Although one second, I need to fix this. So yeah, if bro was to be equal to false, then say whatever. So yeah, we could do it. Also, I have the right. So yeah, right. Not the right like American rights. No, not or Indian. No, nothing. No right to any country. No, we're talking about like that. Okay, right, like in writing. Okay. So yeah. So that's a simple if statement. We can make it do whatever we want. But now do some more stuff. So if bro was to be equal to false, and if y, which will create a statement, will create a variable, don't worry. If y equals no, then we'll say I just want to do a offensive word like those bad words, but then I realized no, YouTube would not like that, so I know. So yeah, we're just gonna yep, there we go. Fix that, and yeah, so then we can do this. Say that's a simple nested if statement, just an if statement and if statement. But this if statement can only be activated by this if statement, which means if this statement is not active, then this statement will also not be active. So we need the parent if statement to work with the child. But if the child doesn't work, you got an issue with your code. So yeah, that's a very simple understanding. But then let's talk about while. So you could also say while true. Wait, while true? No, while true. Yeah, that's an simple mistake I actually see. While true, you could just do whatever the frick you want. Done. But yeah, basically while true is basically run forever unless there's a variable that is gonna affect it. So what you want to do is type in your variable plus plus, variable name plus plus, and then that. So yeah, var does not exist because well, there's no variable called var. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. I'm done. I'm not gonna be able to edit all of this, so I'm gonna end the video right now. Plus I don't have anything to say, but yeah, just be good. Drink your milk and don't beat your. Yeah, I'm trying to act like Danny, but no, I'm failing. But yeah, just don't talk to strangers. Be with your parents. Do your code, else it'll explode.